Welcome to this video on an extremely stretchable, double-sided, embossed fabric. Both sides are different. The pattern is 3 loops and 2 rows. At the end of the video, I'll go over the features of knitting in the round. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side. In this row, we work with loops in pairs. The repeat pattern is purl 1 from the bottom row. Cross the next 2 stitches and knit as follows. Pick up the second one through the first and knit it. Slip the first loop without knitting. Again, purl 1 from the bottom row. Pick up the second loop through the first and knit it. Slip the first. Again, purl 1 from the bottom row. Pick up the second loop through the first and knit it. Slip the first. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side. The repeat pattern is knit 1, purl 2. Again, knit 1, purl 2. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. When knitting in the round, the second row will look like this. Purl 1, knit 2. I have presented you with a very elastic, slightly open work and interesting knitting pattern. It works well with both thin and thick yarn, making it appropriate for both the winter and summer seasons. I heartily recommend it because of its beauty and double-sidedness, which make it perfect for scarves, capes, and cardigans. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.